Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number B9073A. 26,000 miles on this local trade, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. The 200 is in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate touchscreen, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning. Compass display. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is as well. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-sized car. EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9073A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.